Hi, good morning, students. Hope you are well. So, we are going to start. Before starting, I am introducing myself. My name is Sreema Jeevan. So, I am taking community health nursing. So, it's the unit number 6. We has already started. The name of the unit is Family Health Care, the setting and the home visit. So, in the previous classes and all, we have seen what is home visit, what is the purpose of home visit and all. Principles, planning, how we can able to make a home visit planning evaluation. So along with the home visit, we have seen the class of bag technique also. So what is a public health bag? So what are the uses of the bags? So what are the principles you should maintain while you are doing this bag technique procedures? Okay. Actually, the home visit we are calling as the backbone of the community health nursing. So meanwhile, we'll go for learning the next section, that is the D section, that is clinic. Okay. So clinic. So what is the purpose of clinic in a community sector and types and its functions? So clinic setting is a place where the family come to seek the medical and healthcare services as desired by them from the members of the healthcare team, including the physician stationed there. Okay. So here, whoever we needs healthcare services, we will be going towards the clinics. So in a community sector means we will be going towards the first of all initial treatment and we are taking from a clinical sides. Okay, so where we are getting the first initial care, so we'll go for the medical as well as the healthcare services. So whoever needs the care, we are going. So there, when you are going towards a clinic, we can able to see physicians are there and nurses will be there. So as the clinics may be the following locations will be there. So clinic we can see in the sub-centers, primary health centers, community health centers, hospitals, slums, then MCH, maternal child health care service centers will be there, and family welfare centers will be there, schools, and in the fair places. So where the sterile areas are there, so we can able to maintain a clinical settings. Okay, so why we are using this clinical setup means it is the clinic is there for the giving the services towards the peoples about the medicals as well as the healthcare services. So there we can see the physician as well as the nurse will be there. So they are providing as the needed services about the health. Then purpose of a clinics to offer the care for the people's felt need. So whoever needs the care, so those peoples we are offering the medical as well as the healthcare services. Then second one, to provide the care for the actual need of the person. So if the person, for example, so what the need is there, so what is the actual need, we will be finding out from the patient side or a peoples in the community, then we are giving towards the actual care treatments. So that's the main purpose. Then type of clinics. So there are three types of clinics are there: general clinic, separate clinic, and specialty clinic. So already once more I am telling, so clinic means it is there in all the localities which will be there in the form of sub-centers, primary health centers, community health centers, hospitals, slums areas, then maternal child health services centers will be there, family health care or a family welfare centers, and in the school or in a fairs places and all. So where is a safe places or a sterile places and all, we can maintain a good clinic setups. Okay, so there we can see a physician as well as a nurse will be there, whoever is giving the medical as well as the healthcare services. So who needs the care for a actual problem? Okay, if they are having any health issues, okay, so that's a needed care is there, so they will be visiting towards the clinic and they will get the appropriate treatment and health education from the particular healthcare personnel. So what is the purpose means, we whoever is need for the care, they will be coming for getting the care in the clinical setups, and we can able to understand what is the actual problem. Okay, so what is the actual diagnosis with the help of our assessment and all in a clinic. So they will give the appropriate actual treatments towards the patient. So I told you already what are the types are there: general clinic, separate clinic and specialty clinic. So the word meaning general means to all the persons, so whoever needed the care, maybe as a cardiac or maybe as a any respiratory. So in any systemic care also they are getting in a general clinic. Then separate clinic means they are giving for a some eye, for a eye. So for if you are having any eye infection, you can able to go towards the eye clinic. Okay, so if you are having any problem towards the teeth, okay, tooth, so what happens is we can able to go for the dental clinic. So they will be having some separate clinic also will be there. And speciality, it is go for a maybe as a cancer centers, maybe as a diabetic centers will be there, then TB centers. So for a specialty clinics will be there. So we'll see. General means any person who can attend with any health problems. So any type of disease condition is there, so they can able to approach towards a clinic. Then so all the client can be delete with all the same time at the same time. So all the client can able to come towards the clinic. So if they are in a pregnancy also, pregnant mothers, malnourished children's father with having the fever, grandmother having the indigestions, they are together can attend the same clinic. Okay, so in a family, so different sections of peoples will be there. Okay, so different age group also will be there, different health problems will be there, or they are in the pregnancy stage. All the peoples they can able to come in a general clinic. So an individual person can use the same visit to have all the problems seeks one single occasions. So if any family members is having other health issues also, at the same time they can able to visit the clinic. So a mother needed antenatal checkup having a sore eyes, a cut, injury, or requesting information about the child care. So all the cares. So what the mother is needed, that seeks. Okay, what she needed. So all the things at a time itself they will be giving the care. They will assess and they will give the actual problematic treatments they are giving. So multi condition also, if you are coming with a multi condition in a one person also, they are taking in account the conditions and they will go for the treatment. And if different peoples with a different condition also, they are giving the attention in an individual wise and they are giving the care. So that's with the help of the general clinics only they are giving. So any health problem if you are having, so you can able to visit in a general clinic. Second one is separate clinic. So in the separate clinic there are number of separate clinics runs of different days in a week. Okay, so there are so many separate clinics are there. So maybe it will be there in the different days will be there for taking for the account. So this system on is clinic is used where the assessing is very easy and client's number is very large. So if in a separate clinic means we can able to manage the people's. So because if they are coming with this particular problem, okay, so we can able to see only that particular problem. So it's very easy in if it is a number of client also is increases also, but we are seeing upon towards a specialized care or a separate care we are giving. For example, antenatal clinic. So you can able to give the attention towards the pregnant ladies. Antenatal means pregnant mothers only. So once they are pregnant, so they can able to go towards the antenatal clinic. So they are seeing, okay, so the clinic they are seeing only the pregnant lady care. So it's very easy to go for giving the care towards the pregnant ladies. So then second one is postnatal clinics. Postnatal means after the delivery they are giving the care. So what are the history collection, what are the assessment we can able to do for a postnatal care. So these peoples they can able to, so if in a large amount of people they are coming also, it's very quite easy to go for giving the care, because only the particular type of people they are coming in that area. Third one, under 5 clinics. So only the under 5 babies they are coming. So children they are coming to get the care in a under 5 clinics. Then fourth one is family welfare clinics. So for the family we can able, so family welfare, family planning they can able to go for doing in a with the help of this clinical visits and all. Then reproductive and child health clinics. So with the help of this clinic we can able to understand what about the reproduction. So whether the woman they are going can able to go for the fertility, or whether she is infertile. So a man or a woman, so either for those people also they can able to give the assessment, and we can give the, if it in the faulty way we can able to give in a treatment for the corrections and all. Okay, so with the help of individual clinics will be there. For example, for a separately they are giving for pregnant ladies, means we are calling as an antenatal clinic. So after the delivery they can go for the postnatal clinic. So separate individual attention we can able to give from the particular clinics. So that's why they has made a separate clinics. So it's a second type of clinics. It must be seen in the community health nurse must not spend all the days in a clinic. So one by one, so maybe they are giving the care towards the antenatal clinic. So maybe as Monday will be the antenatal clinics, and this Tuesday will be the postnatal clinic. So weekly once they will be giving the timing for the schedule. So for those who are pregnant ladies, they can come on every Monday, they can come like that. So it's only that day we are maintaining only the pregnant lady assessments only. Okay, so they will be giving the time for the postnatal section, so we can make as a postnatal clinic. And on the Tuesday or Thursday they can come for the under 5 people to get the assessment. So we can make as a under 5 clinics. Okay, third one is specialty clinic. So I have told you, so for specialty clinic it was there, can run by the specialist doctors, and the nurses will be there, and we can able to provide the medical and counseling services for the specific disorders. So for example, diabetic clinics, then sexually transmitted clinics, TB clinics, nutrition clinic, cardiac clinic, and chest clinic. So they are giving as a separate clinics are there. So we can able to make as a different specialty doctors will be there for the assessment, and for the giving of treatments, and all the doctors as well as the nurses are giving the services in that sector. So the specialized clinics will be there. Specialty, for example, TB's clinic, diabetic clinic, STD clinic, that is sexually transmitted clinic will be there, nutrition clinic, cardiac clinic, and chest clinic. So some are important clinics under the categories. Okay, so main thing is cardiac clinic and all will be there, means it's very useful for the people those who are having the cardiac problems. So they can go there directly there and get the services far better than the general clinic, because in general means they are superficially they will be seeing the things. Okay, only the initial assessment they are giving. So after that one, if they can't able to go for the further treatment, they will be referring towards this specialty clinics only. Okay, so specialty clinics they are giving, so top to bottom they are knowing each and every sections in that particular specialities. Okay, so that's about the types of clinics. So first one is general clinic. So for all the health problems we can able to go towards the general clinics. Second one, it will be separating. So only one clinic it can, so in a week it can able to make the same clinic as a different types. Okay, so maybe as a Monday, so if you are taking in 1 week means this primary health center itself we can able to make as a, so Monday the antenatal mothers can able to come, so we can tell as a only antenatal clinic. Then second day, that is Tuesday, you can able to call all the postnatal people for the care. So it's a postnatal clinic. So like that it will be going on. Then third one is specialty clinics only for the different conditions. Okay, maybe related towards the cardiac one means cardiac clinic will be there. So we can give the particular treatment towards the person. So top to bottom we can able to assess the person and we can give a prior care than in a general clinic. So we are giving appropriate treatment, we are giving in a specialty clinical side. So we'll see where it will be locations, so location of the clinics. The clinic should be set up within the community or as near to the community. So the community, so each and every community they should have one of the clinic should be there. So it should be inside the clinic or nearby towards the community as possible. No one should needed to travel more than 1 hour as easy journey, because so it's a initial treatments and we can able to get from the clinical side either general or a separate or a specialty unit should be there in that community. So it should not be more than 1 hour of traveling and all, because so we are giving a critical care services towards the people. So no one should needed to travel more than the 1 hour of easy journey. The location should be acceptable to all the peoples, because in a community means if the clinic is there in the center, so it is very easy to travel to all the peoples coming from the peripheral area towards the central part. Okay, so it's very easy to travel, so everybody will be having equal traveling distance will be there. Okay, so everybody have to accept for the clinic that should be in the nearest place. Then clinic and waiting area must be safe for the children, because near, so once there is a clinic means they should maintain a good safety from the children's side. Okay, so they should maintain some of the structural physical structures, everything should be there. So it should not be demerit towards the children's. It should be always be safe for the children's only. So waiting area and all, once they are maintaining, they should maintain appropriate towards the medical physical structure should maintain and all. So once they are building of clinics, so it should be in a proper way. Then criteria for a good clinics. So it should be located close towards the community. I have told you the location should be acceptable and accessible to all the peoples in that community. And second one is the clinic should be well organized with the effective flow pattern from one station to the another. So everything should be in an organized way. Okay. Then we should maintain one of the flow chart should be there in the entrance itself, so you can able to understand. So while seeing the flow chart itself, we can able to understand where the doctors they are sitting. So where is the pharmacy, where is the casualty in that particular clinics. Then third one is provision for the follow-up care and reference. So everybody they should come for the follow-up care services and referrals. Okay, so if you are visiting towards the general clinic here, so they are referring towards the higher specialty clinic as well, so they should go. Okay, they should accept. The community people have to go for accepting. So that's the main thing, go for a good clinic. Then there should be an effective system in recording and reporting. So whoever it is coming with the particular diseases, is all the things will be going for the recording and reporting. And there should be an effective system of health education for the people coming towards the clinic. So whoever it is coming towards the for the needed care, so we are giving the health personnel like doctors, nurses, they are giving the health education. So whatever the medications, so for example medications they are giving, they should give in a have the medication at a proper timing, and so they are giving along with that one diet plan will be there. So all those things we have to go for hearing and acceptable towards by the community peoples or a needed peoples who are coming there. Okay, so these are the criteria for the good clinics. The next one is E section, the functions of the health personnel in clinics. So what are the functions will be there by a health person in the clinics? So we'll see functions of the community health nurse. Setting up of clinic and arranging the equipments and supplies. So you should maintain a good physical as well as structural setting up of there by the peoples and the arrangement. So as a community health nurse, if I am working there, so I should maintain a good setup in that clinic and arranging the equipments and supplies, and place the health worker at a particular services area and assigning the responsibilities according. So each and every health personnel, they should maintain their own service area will be there. So if you are sitting in a reception, so you should maintain there the some health checkup we are doing, that is maybe they are checking about the height, weight and all there. So particular services area, and we should maintain a good responsibility will be there. Then assessment of the health status of the patient. So you should assess the health status of the patient by taking upon the physical examination as well as the history collection. So maybe as a present as well as the past history we can able to collect it. Then provide the needed based nursing care services. So as per the data collections as well as from the history collection or a physical examination, you should know what will be the health status of the person. Okay, by the personal talking, it's a communication, it's a somewhat we can able to understand, though even though we can able to see the physical examination, with that one we can able to give the nursing care services, appropriate nursing care services. Next one, giving necessary instruction to the patient and family members. So according to the needs of the patient as well as whatever we has observed from the patient, and we are reported. Okay, so on the basis of that one we can able to give some instruction towards the patients and families. Then conducting health education sections as needed. Then we have to go for giving and assisting towards the doctors or a specialist. So even the doctors, they are coming, we are taking the files and we are going for rounds and all. So we have to assist the doctors as well as the specialist. Then supervision and guidance to the health worker. Okay, so other health workers like ASHA workers and all will be there. So we can give the guidance towards the health workers in the community. Then monitor of healthcare records and registers. So each and every record should be, you should maintain and you should register as in the soft copy and hard copy. So nowadays it become as computerized is there. So written books recording will be there, and you can save the records in a computer also. Okay, they maintain and preserving the health records and registers reports on the clinical service provided. So whatever there's a record room will be there, so you should maintain all and preserve the recording sections and all. And helping in promoting good working environment at a clinic. So you should maintain a good communication skills as well as rapport should be there to maintain a good environment at the clinic, and you should maintain all the sterilization in that clinic also. So it's very good for working in that environment. So this is the main function of the community health nursing. That is, function of the health nurse is mainly they can able to set and arrange all the equipments and the supplies and whatever the services area they are giving. So in that services area we should maintain a good responsibility about that sections, and we should assess the healthcare status of the patient, and whatever you are observed, give the nursing care towards the actual problem of the patient, and give instructions, because if it is a diabetic patient, what will be the health education and instruction we can able to give towards the patient. So don't take sugar diet and all. Control the sugar, or some according to the level of the sugar, blood sugar level, we are guiding the person about or giving the health education about the dietary patterns and instruction about the medication, at what time you should take the medication, appropriate timing and all we should mention. Okay, then we are giving the menu plan also according towards the conditions. Then So we are assisting, so with along with the records, and we are assisting the doctors as well as the specialists for the nursing care procedures and all. Then supervision. Under us we are having the certain health workers will be there. We can able to go for supervise and guidance about the health workers like ASHA workers. Okay. Then maintain all the records and register and preserve it in a safe manner. So either you can able to so both the things we are doing, that is book record and registration is there, as well as the computerized also it is there. So we can able to create a good environment for a good working situations. And functions of multi-purpose health workers. So here we are taking the gender is female multi-purpose health workers will be there. So they are helping a setting up of a clinic and all. So under the community health nurse only, these people will be their community purpose. They are going for walk-ins. They will be going for registering all the cases, attending the clinics, and they will take records of their weight if they required, and they will go for the assessment of health status as per the guidance. So baseline assessments and these multi-purpose health worker female sections they are doing. Okay, so providing the treatment and care based on the needs as per the standing order. Okay, so standing order means instead of doctor, so in the absence of the doctor, the nurse they will be giving the care towards the patient. Okay, so even the doctor was not there. Okay, so instead of doctor, the nurse can able to give the care in a particular situation, in a critical situation. So you can able to call that order as a standing order. Gives the necessary instruction towards the patient and family. So the multi-purpose health workers, they can able to give the instructions and giving the health education towards the plan patient as well as the family members. Okay, so that's about the functions of health person in a clinic. So we have seen mainly doctors, they are giving assessing, and they are going for the in a diagnosis of the diseases, and they will give the treatment and all, they will write and give. So we are giving the nursing care services, as we means community health nurse, or under the community health nurse so many workers will be ASHA workers, multi-purpose health workers will be there, the two male as well as the female will be there. So all the people they are giving the services towards the patient as well as the family member. So guidance as well as the instructions they are giving, and at last we are giving the health education towards the peoples. So that's about the clinics. So what is a clinic means? Clinic is a setting of the place where the family members they are coming for seeking for a medical health care services who deserve the care. Okay, so they will be having in the clinic, they will be having the doctors as well as nurses will be there. So most of the, so usually you can see in that all the community one clinic will be there. So either in the type of a general, separate and speciality clinic. So general means all the type of people they can able to come for getting the care in the general clinics. Separate means for a maybe as a pregnant lady they can able to go for getting the care. Then after the pregnancy, then after the delivery, the postnatal people also they can come. Then under 5 babies also they can come for the visiting of separate clinic. Okay, so only that separate section will be there for that things. Okay, then specialty clinic means maybe for some systemic problem, and so maybe as a respiratory problem, so TB clinic will be there. Then cardiac means a cardiac clinic will be there. So they are going for a specialized clinic for the treatment. So even it's a too large population also they can able to handle, because only one thing, okay, only the specialty thing they are going to assess and give the treatments. And the functions, so what will be the functions means? Function of the health person, okay, in the clinic means they are giving the services, they will be supplying all the equipments and all. Then they providing assessing providing as well as the assessing the health status of the patient. They will give the nursing care services, and they will be recording all the things. After, they will go for the instruction towards the patient as well as the family members. At last they are giving the health education services depending upon their health care problems. Okay, so I hope you maybe understood this topics. So go through the first section and the A section, what is home visit, what is the purpose, principles, and planning, evaluation, and what is the back technique and all along with this one. So this unit has finished. So hope you understood. If you are having any doubt, miss, you can able to ask me personally. Thank you.